Hello, it's Alex Robertson. I'm here to make the homework for the designing products with affordances, mappings, constraints, and conventions. I have chosen to map to analyse a set of Skull Candy Crusher headphones. These are the headphones here. As you can see with the affordances, there are two speakers, because there and there, with a headset which affords putting headphones on your head, and the speakers go on your ears. On one of the speakers there is a slide switch which affords sliding, but the problem is you cannot tell if it's a volume control or a bass control just by looking at it, therefore it's ambiguous. It turned be a bass control but I found out after I had to listen to it, and you'd need instructions to find out straight away which one it is. There is also a button which operates the microphone which is in this module on the cable, and can also start and stop music on mobile devices only. When you play something into the microphone on a mobile device, you press the button and hold it down, and to stop recording you just lift the button up. To start and stop a recording, to start and stop music, you press it once to start, once again to stop. And because it's a push button, it affords the user pressing it. With mappings, the slide switch, which is mapped to the bass control on the headphones, where moving the bass control upwards increases the bass, moving it downwards turns the bass down, and the button on the microphone module, holding it down, operates the microphone. Pressing it briefly once is mapped to starting and stopping the song that is currently being played, which only works on mobile devices. It doesn't work on a desktop PC, by the way. However, there is a problem with this, which could be room for improvement, is that this button is ambiguous, as it has a button but there's no microphone symbol, meaning how would you tell if it was a microphone if it's the first time you've used them without looking at the instructions? And also there's no play and pause symbol, just a Skull Candy logo. So how would you tell if it's a Skull Candy? How would you tell if you can play or pause the music? It's to play and pause the music without reading the instructions. And constraints. As you can see, the headphones has a stereo mini jack connector, which is a physical constraint, as it means you can only place it in the correct audio jack, which is this one on the desktop PC. And the physical constraints also make sure you cannot put it in the wrong plug socket, such as it's not possible to fit it in the USB or DVI connection. It's not possible to fit it in those, as it doesn't fit. So that's a physical constraint to make sure you do not put it in the wrong connection. As the DVI connection is too small for the jack to fit in, and it's the wrong shape. Thanks for watching.